This decade should be called the rise of the drones. While drones help us shoot epic aerial videos, getting your drone into the air and into position for those breathtaking shots could be tricky. My name is Baron, I'm a drone instructor, and I'm going to show you how to fly 7 types of cinematic drone shots. But if you're looking to level up your drone flying skills with an instructor, well, at Wolfang Digital, we run drone flying courses. All our classes are conducted by professional instructors with years of experience as drone operators. You can even book your personal one-to-one drone flying lessons with just you and your instructor. To get these awe-inspiring shots, you will have to be familiar with the basic controls to fly your drone. Now, most DJI drones come with a simulator built into their systems to help you practice these controls. They are the throttle, pitch, yaw, and roll. By combining these basic controls, you can get amazing flights such as the ones here. The flyby reveal shot. Epic shots like this ideally make use of the foreground to lead into a dramatic reveal, gradually revealing to your audience a gorgeous landscape ahead. And here's how to fly it. Use the pitch control to fly forward. Add a bit of yaw to angle your drone slightly and fly in a diagonal line towards your subject. This would be one of the most rewarding shots as it is almost guaranteed to give you breathtaking visuals. Tracking shots are dynamic and gives the feeling of traveling side by side with your subject. And here's how to fly it. Apply a large amount of roll to track a fast-moving subject, but gently add some yaw to keep your subject in frame. Now this next shot was traditionally achieved with a jeep or a crane. It's a great way to send your drone up slowly and letting your audience experience looking down at a majestic shot. How to fly it. Throttle up and increase altitude while tilting the camera. Try to match the gimbal's tilt speed with your drone's vertical movement. This would be one of the most rewarding shots as it is almost guaranteed to give you breathtaking visuals. It is my favorite aerial shot and almost any subject looks great with an orbit. Here's how to fly it. To achieve an orbit shot, you are either pushing your sticks together or pulling them away from each other. This is another shot that is dependent on your skillful control of the camera gimbal. The overhead flyby lets your viewers experience an immersive look down and reveal. And here's how to fly it. Pitch forwards towards your subject. Use your gimbal to gently tilt the camera downwards as you approach your subject. If you thought orbit was cool, this next shot produces jaw-dropping visuals. Many majestic shots are achieved with helix moves, but it comes with a high learning curve. How to fly it. While performing an orbit, gently increase altitude. This last move could be one of the easiest to pull and still be able to give you beautiful shots. You're only using one control stick and a camera gimbal For this, the drone flies straight up as it yaws or gently spins around. How to fly it? Use your throttle to send your drone up. At the same time, gently apply yaw to spin the drone around. Well, I hope we've inspired you to go out there and have fun with these 7 cinematic drone flying techniques. If you're looking to improve your flying and video shooting skills, sign up for a course with us at Wolfang Digital. We're sure you'll have an amazing time with us flying epic shots with your drone. It's Baron here. Gear up, go out there and shoot it great!